the drone that will deliver your DoorDash food. There is a drone that is going to change the way that small packages are delivered to your home. It's a small drone that can take your DoorDash food and drop it to you while being quiet and safe. ZipLine Drone. The drone is ZipLine, and it's a small container that is lowered down via a zip line from a much larger and higher up drone to an area with pinpoint accuracy. The large drone with the zip line is so high up and so sturdy that it is unaffected by most wind and is quiet to the area being delivered to. There is also a launch drone that flies via a giant slingshot to an area where a package is safely parachuted down to a recipient. The advantage of this is that the energy required to enter flights isn't needed, and that drone just needs the energy to fly and drop an object and to then return to the launch origin. This drone has applications for medical supplies when they needed to be delivered quickly and accurately, as well as other packages that just need to be delivered. Savings on transport. The advantage of drones in this case is the lack of cars being used for transport. When a DoorDash meal is delivered with a gas car, you have the emissions of the car, then you have the space taken up by that car, then you have the inefficiency of having a human needing to drop it off. Having an autonomous drone delivered packages with pinpoint accuracy will make it so that you can basically wish for something and have it show up within 30 minutes. The applications for medical supplies are especially critical, as a catapulted drone serving a radius of 30 miles will save lives. City deliveries. The ZipLine drone is incredibly quiet. As it was hovering in the air, it was silent. The larger drone in the air is 50 pounds and can carry a heavy weight. Being quiet is a first step to it being able to be produced and deployed in mass quantities. The weight of the object carried doesn't determine the sound level of the propellers. They used principles in nature from owls and hummingbirds to find out how to do flight while being as quiet as possible. They designed a series of rotors that don't look like normal propellers and produce more of a white noise instead of a noisy sound that most propellers make. That is some incredible engineering. The ZipLine delivery drone that gets lowered down simply has the bottom area open and the package is released to the ground below. Conclusion. The large drone can even fly if one propeller stops working. The back propeller can turn downward in this case. There is also a full impact parachute in case the power goes out or it is damaged. There have been 0 incidents since the drone started flying. I see companies like DoorDash and Uber Eats, as well as even Amazon, come using this type of drone delivery system. Let's see how these drones progress. Check out the full video and origin of these drones here.